Slatify my camo pants into alternative baddie. I hate how long and high-rise they are. I'm gonna make them into a low-rise miniskirt with layered pleats. And do some redesign with the belt. Chop off the legs. Turn them into several long strips.
So good and tasty.
Fold the strips into pleats. Wow. Sew the pleats together and pin them on the skirt base. To make them low-rise, I remove the button on the waist and insert a piece of triangular fabric underneath.
I'm having a hard time getting it in.
Punch some grommets in for the new opening. For the second layer of pleats, I'm gonna attach them on the belt.
Ooh, pretty pickle.
Then sew the belt onto the hip part of the skirt. Tuck some scraps in as deckers. Don't judge me if I glue the buckle on, just let a girl live. Print some whatever. Last minute grommets.
The teeny girls with machine guns.